you guys, welcome back. My name is Honey Ostwal, and hi, how are you guys doing? And today I'm gonna do a pink video, also a video that I'm gonna try 5 things and give you a review my opinions on it. So let's start with today's video. Let's go. Since you guys know everything will be in pink today, so my first product is this t-shirt. I will wear it and show it to you. It's pretty good, very beautiful. It's off shoulder, but if you don't like to wear it like off shoulder, you can wear it like this as well. Also, I bought this from Max. That's double XL 16. Oh, it's 18. Yeah. So 16 and 18 fits me. And the price of this is 499, which is 500 rupees. I got this on discount at 50% off. So I got this for like 250. Though this t-shirt for 250 is a great deal. I bought this t-shirt from Udaipur yesterday, that is on 27th. No, on 28th. I bought this on 28th from Celebration Mall Max. So if you guys are nearby, you can go check it out because they are having an amazing sale and discounts. So let's try this. Also, I'll be giving ratings. So for this top, what do you think? How much you would give? Like, I will give like 10 on 10 for this top. The color is again bomb. From brand like Max, the price is quite cheap. My second product is this lipstick. This is Superstay Lip Kiss Pretty. This is again more of a pink and a bit of brown. That's what the shade is. That's how it looks. The packaging is just like the color. I bought this from a general store which sells like lipsticks and everything from Kakroli, which is again in Rajasthan. Try this product. The quantity is that much, like you can see. This much is the quantity and it smells pretty amazing. So normally when I put my lipsticks, I do apply a lip balm. So when you don't apply a lip balm, I'll show you the difference, okay? So and now I'm gonna apply the lip balm. The color is pretty good. Again, the lip balm, I have talked about it. I'm just going to talk about pink products. So whenever you put lipstick that is matte lipstick, see that you apply a transparent lip balm. Where I put my lipstick, just one swipe. See, I'll show you. Whether this camera is clicking it or not, but see, this side is very smooth and this side you can see some cranky things, and I can feel that, you know, cracky lips also, cracky things, not cracky lips. So that's the difference. So that's the reason I apply a lip balm underneath lipsticks, normally matte lipsticks. You've just seen the color. The color is very nice. It's more of a pink and a bit of browns. So if you guys find this kind of lipstick, the shade name is however not written here. I don't know what's the shade name, but if you find it, just buy it. This brand is amazing. And yeah, and come up to the lipstick, I will give this lipstick again 10 on 10. It's a very nice lipstick. So I have used this lipstick I think 4 to 5 times, and if you like eat extremely oily stuffs and if you just put your tongue like this, where you know some people have an habit of rolling their tongue on their lips, so then for that person this lipstick is not great because this will just go into your mouth and it won't stay. So I normally don't do all of these things. So this lipstick stays almost like 6 to 8 hours, which is very good, like आराम से 6 घंटे. However, this transfers a bit. It's not like extremely matte. And I think I bought this for like just 120 rupees, like 120 bucks. For 120 rupees, this lipstick is bomb. Very smooth, very matte. Not matte, but very, lightweighted. I don't feel lipstick. And I don't feel like, something is there on my lips. I don't feel like that way. So I will give this product a 10 on 10. So time for third product. So the third product is this Max Shave Body thing. It says stainless steel blade, platinum coated and single edged. Okay. And here the instruction is written how to use. Again, I bought this for like 150, I guess, or 120. I'm not really sure, but within 150 rupees, there are 6 blades. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have used one. I'll show you how it is. That's how the blade is, and this is the covering. Yes, it is. It is single bladed. And that's how the product looks. It's very tiny, very chintu sa. See, it's very small. So talking about this product, I didn't like this product. This one has only single blade, as I just showed you. The blade is single. So when I just go like this way, right? You go like this way. So बाल काफ़ी कम निकलते हैं. Okay, बाल निकलते हैं but काफ़ी कम निकलता है. Your hair comes out pretty less. Because of the single blade, I have to go like twice or thrice. All the hair comes out, and sometimes only the half hair comes out and half is still there. So it's very irritating. And other than that, you use Venus or some other brand which has like at least 2 to 3 blades. I would suggest buy blades which are 2 to 3, because with one swipe all your hair will come out. If some are left also, the first blade cannot, maybe the second blade. If second also not, maybe the third blade. The third blade will remove it all in one swipe. So this is thumbs down. I didn't really like this product. However, of course, I'm gonna use this because I have it, I bought it, I invested my money, so I am gonna use this product. But I wouldn't recommend this product to anyone. It's a task. If you're in a hurry, you can't use this. You have to like go twice and thrice. It's easy to wash, but the hair which goes inside the blade, as you've seen, those are difficult to remove. And from where I bought this, that man was like that you can use this like 4 to 5 times aaram se. So I'm not pretty much sure. I've just used this like twice, and yeah, I wouldn't recommend this. Let's go on to rating. Since it does the job nice, like it removes the hair, it's not that it does not work, it works. So I would give this product like 4. I would give this product a 4 on 10. It's pink in color and we are going pink, remember? So yeah, I will give this 4, and I wouldn't recommend anybody to buy this. Invest your money in a good body shaver. That is, you can invest in Venus. Venus is again very amazing. 3 blades, remember that. And yeah, don't buy this. If you find this, then let's go to the next product. My 4th product is this. It's clean and clear morning energy, oil free, won't clog your pores or really. Berry Blast 50 ml. The price of this is 75 rupees. If you want to try, you can try. The smell of this is beautiful. I love strawberries basically. And it does the work pretty well. It's gonna wash your face, it's gonna clean your face, it'll remove all the dirt. The major work what it has, it's gonna do. However, they haven't written scrub here, so I don't know. If there are beads, I'm assuming there will be scrub. It works as a scrub, but honestly these beads do nothing. They are just there inside for showpiece, and they are jobless. I mean, they have job but they don't do it properly. So let's see. I have tried it.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
So as you can see, it does not work as a good scrub. Yeah, like I have to buy a scrub. I can't use this. However, you can use this as a face wash. It's gonna wash your face nicely. How much rating I would give? I will give this product 7 on 10 is perfect for this. One more thing I want to say, that whenever you buy any product, just buy a trial pack or something, because my sister, she tried this Clean and Clear and she got pimples. So maybe there are some brands which won't suit everybody. It's just gonna, like, this is just that much chotu sa packet. Maybe it won't suit you, maybe it will suit somebody else. It suited me, I didn't got anything. So yeah, so just try the smaller one. If you like it, then invest in big. Will I buy this again? Of course not. I am not gonna buy this again. My fifth product is this Gulabari Rose Glow Face Cleanser. Cleansing, moisturizing, refreshing. The price of this is again 75 rupees, and it's somewhat like this, pink in color. Yeah, I've used so much. Okay, let's talk about the product. It says how to use.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
However, the smell of this is extremely rosy, rose. So the product is amazing. It works very good as your toner. It cleans up your face. Again, rose water has its own different benefits, so it's a nice product, I would say. There are no negative things to talk about this, but again, my sister used this and my sister was like, मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा जलन हो रहा था. Like, she did, maybe it did not suited her face, but I am a dry skin person, so this product suited me pretty well. I don't know about her. She just told me that Didi, she only bought this product. Honestly, I did not bring this product. She bought this from a store and she just tried 1-2 times and she's like, मुझे नहीं जम रहा है, मुझे जलन हो रहा है. And I was like, no, मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छे से हो गया है, you know, it suited me pretty well. So she's like, okay, then you just use it. So yeah, I'm using this, and the rating that I would give to this product is 10 on 10, because it's nice. It gives you like cooling thing. It does not moisturizes your face, so no, I'll give this product 9. It says it's gonna moisturize your face. It does not moisturizes your face. No, it does not moisturizes your face. It cleanses your face. It refreshes your face. Yes, I agree with that, but it does not moisturizes. So this is more of like toner. It's not gonna keep you moisturizing. And yeah, that's it. So I would give this product 9. So guys, one more thing I want to tell you about the toner is that you don't need to apply toners both the time, in morning and night. No. So what toner is exactly? They are going to clean your face. Whatever leftover is there, it's going to clean your face. Okay. So what I do is I just apply at night. I do a face wash and I apply a toner. I clean it, apply it at night. That's it. Already your face is cleansed now. So when you get up in the morning, you just have to like take a shower, just wash your face and just apply some serum and cream. That's it. In morning you don't need to apply the toner because your face is clean. Why do you want to like apply so much of layers? You don't need to. And itna product wastage, why? Like we are investing our own money. So this is again my opinion. If you still want to use it like both the time, you can, but I don't really find it like that you don't need to use it. Already your face is quite clean the night you had done everything, so why do you want to put it again in the morning? So toner is just something you just have to use it one time. Why do I use it at night? Just because the whole day ka dirt and everything just comes out, and you know your face will feel relaxed because of everything in the morning. So yeah, that's the only reason I use this as night. Toners I use at night. I never use it in the morning. But yeah, if you guys want to use it, you can use it. It's totally up to you and your face and your products. Yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments how did you like this pink video. If also let me know, should I bring this as a series, like you know, trying out every month. I'm gonna try like 4 to 5 products, not only just makeup, skincare, but clothes, food items, anything which I find really new. I can just like buy it, try it and let you know. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do such more videos, like every end of the month I'm gonna do this. And yeah, please do like this video, share it with everybody and subscribe it. Please subscribe kar lena because it's for free yaar, and free ki cheeze Indians love it. So subscribe kar dena. It's just that red thing, just tap it and make it gray, and bell icon, press that also, so whenever I make a video you'll be notified. Also guys, one more thing I want to tell you is I have my own food page on Instagram known as Knock Knock Mumbai, where I have put my recipes. I give restaurants reviews and everything. It's an amazing page, just go and check it out. Also I have my another page named as Make Musing Girls, again on Instagram. I'm going to link everything on in the description box, so it's easy for you to just tap and go to that page. It's Make Musing Girls is basically about products that I am going to review. I do use them, I do review them, how are they, it's good, not good, everything. So yeah, you can check it out. Also my page named as Honey Ostwal 95. You can check my page also. I do travel. We can just have a chit chat there. So yeah, check that out. Thank you guys for watching this video and loving me so much. We are now a family of 100 members and more and counting. Hopefully like soon I get 500 subscribers this month, this year, at the end of this year. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.